In this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Elementor memory limit. So in order to do this, you need to head over to elementor.com. Click on the this Get Started if you wish to create a new account, or click onto this Login option if you wish to use the account that you already have. Now, Elementor needed to be hosted, so we will use WordPress for this case. Head over and click onto this Get Started in order to create an account, or click onto this Login in order to log into one. So in here, I have this website that I have created using Elementor. In order to increase Elementor's memory limit, you need to adjust the PHP memory limit on your WordPress configuration. You can do this by modifying the wp-config.php file or contacting the hosting provider. So let's head over right here into our dashboard. And onto your dashboard, head over to Elementor. And into this part, go over to the system information. Click on this. And then you can see this. We have our operating system, our WordPress version, our upload size, and the likes. As of right now, the PHP memory limit is around 512 megabytes, and if you wish to actually increase that, you need to edit the file itself. Typically, on some cases, the limit is already 512 megabytes, and on some of them, the memory limit is only around 40 megabytes, so you can increase that. But if you see that it's already 512, that means that it's already at its maximum limit. So you can just head over and edit this particular system information in order to get the most out of your Elementor right there. So that's how you increase the Elementor memory limit. I hope this video helped you out.